Choosing the wrong niche can cost you months or even years of wasted effort. But choosing the right niche can make your channel grow 10 times faster, even if you are a complete beginner in the YouTube platform. In today's video, I'll show you the advanced and professional methods to choose the perfect YouTube niche using psychology, data analysis, income potential, and content strategy. These are not the common tips you see everywhere. These are methods top YouTubers use behind the scene to choose winning niches. Let us begin. Method 1 is solve a high pain problem. People go to the YouTube for two main reasons. One for entertainment and two for solutions. And solution niches grow fastest because they address a painful problem. So ask yourself these three questions. The first one is, what problem do people always come to me for? 2. What problem do I struggle with before and now I understand better? And question 3. What question do people constantly search online? Example of high pain niches are how to fix smartphone issues, or how to pass English exams, or how to start YouTube with phone. If your niche solves a painful problems, viewers will always return to your channel. So pain creates demand and demand leads to growth. Method 2 is choose a niche with high income potentials. Not all niches are the same. Some niches make 3 to 10 times more ads revenue than others. For example, high income niches are online business, personal finance, YouTube tutorials, tech reviews, software tutorials, education, and skill-based contents. On the other hand, there are also low income niches like that of comedy, daily vlog, motivational edits, or general management. Method 3 is pick a niche with evergreen content. Evergreen content means a video that stay relevant for years. These videos bring lifetime video traffic for your channel. Here, you are expected to ask yourself, will this topic still be searched for the next 5 years? Or will people still want solutions in this niche? Let's say, for example, education niches, tutorials like the YouTube, editing tutorials, smartphones, or health fitness basics, personal finance and psychology, or self-improvement, and some other niches are evergreen niches. So here you are expected to avoid niches that die quickly, like that of trends or temporary news. Method 4 is choose a niche with multiple content formats. Your niche must support different types of videos, such as list videos like that of top 5, top 10, or top 7 videos, reviews, explainers, stories, reaction, and or case studies. Here, for example, YouTube monetization niche allows tutorials, updates, reviews, mistakes to avoid, new features, case studies, motivational content, and so on. Here, what I mean is that more formats yield more creativity. Method 5 is choose a niche that fits your personality type. This is a very advanced and rarely mentioned technique. Not every niche fits every personality. You may be energized with tutorials, screen recordings, tech content, or voiceover ideas. On the other hand, you may be extroverted with motivational content, interviews, or camera-based contents. That means if you choose a YouTube niche that fits your natural personality, you are more likely to keep creating videos regularly over the long term because it feels natural and enjoyable. Method 6 is analyze competitors, but choose your own special angle. Competition is not bad. Competition means a niche has a strong audience. To do so, go to the top 5 creators in your niche and study the following 3 major areas. 1. What videos bring them the most views? Or what do viewers complain about in comments? What is missing? And what angles are they ignoring? For example, tech channels might focus on expensive smartphones. Your angle could be budget-friendly smartphone tutorials. Method 7 is test demand using 30 video framework. Yes, before you fully commit, create at least 30 videos in the niche. Not perfect, not fancy, just consistent. Then study the following 3 ideas. Which videos attract new audiences? Or which generates high watch time? And which one creates engagement. Here, the audience themselves will show you the winning sub niche you will focus. So be sure that data never lies. If you want more tutorials about the YouTube monetization, channel growth, and content strategy, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on all notification. Thanks for watching and see you next.